Welcome to explore how to make money with non-fungible tokens, NFTs.
How to choose an NFT marketplace. Selling your NFTs on the right marketplace is very important. In this video, we will discuss some of the most popular and best platforms that you can use to create your NFTs and list them for sale. It is important that you understand what each marketplace can offer you before you make a final decision. Self-service and curated platforms. The first thing that you need to know is that there are two types of NFT platforms that you can choose from. Self-service NFT marketplace. When you use a self-service NFT marketplace, you will be able to create any type of NFT. This means that your NFT could be an image file like a JPEG, PNG, or GIF file, a video file such as an MP4, an audio file like an MP3 or WAV file, and more. Another advantage of using a self-service NFT marketplace platform is that you will usually have the ability to create royalties. This is a percentage that is applied when the original purchaser of your NFT transfers it to another buyer. Curated NFT marketplace. With a curated NFT marketplace, only artists that are authorized to create or mint NFTs can use it. In general, you will find digital art NFTs of the highest quality on curated marketplaces rather than simpler and lower quality collectibles. Requirements for NFT marketplaces. All NFT marketplaces will require that you have a crypto wallet set up, some cryptocurrency in your wallet, and a user account with the platform. You need a crypto wallet so that you can store your NFTs and also to pay any listing fees for blockchain networks, etc. Most NFT marketplaces offer free accounts where you can create your tokens. NFT marketplaces work with different blockchain networks. You need to check what blockchain network options exist with an NFT marketplace. As the Ethereum blockchain network is by far the most popular for listing NFTs, you should find that most marketplaces provide support for this. Some NFT marketplaces will support emerging blockchain networks as well, such as Algorand, Binance Smart Chain, Cosmos, EOS, Flow, Hedera Hashgraph, Polkadot, Solana, Tezos, Tron, Wax. Not all of these blockchain networks are interoperable. Some are closed, such as Flow. Unless you are looking to do something special other than digital art NFTs, we recommend that you use the Ethereum blockchain network. OpenSea. We mentioned OpenSea in the last video. They claim to be the largest of the NFT marketplaces, and we have no reason to doubt this. On OpenSea, you will see different types of NFTs such as digital art, domain names, censorship resistant, sports items, trading cards, virtual worlds, collectibles. When you are a member of OpenSea, you will be able to buy, sell, and find exclusive NFTs such as ENS names, Axes, CryptoKitties, and more. There are more than 700 project categories on OpenSea for those mentioned above and for other items such as Ethereum Name Service, ENS. There is a mining tool available with OpenSea that you can use to create collections and individual NFTs. This is free and you do not need to know a single line of code to use it. Once you have created your NFTs, you can sell them at a fixed price or create an auction for them on OpenSea. Rarible. Rarible is another self-service NFT marketplace like OpenSea. This NFT marketplace is community-owned. The members of the community can hold the ERC20 Rari token. The Rarible platform rewards members with this token if they are active on the marketplace with buying and selling. Each week, there are around 75,000 Rari distributed. While the main focus of Rarible is digital art, they will allow members to mint NFTs of movie files, books, music, and more. It is possible for NFT creators on Rarible to include sneak peeks of their listed NFTs to anyone on the platform. The full NFT project will only be viewable by the purchaser. In the Rarible marketplace, you will see the daily top sellers, and it is possible to have your NFTs at the top of the page to make it easy to attract buyers. You will pay a small minting fee to create your NFTs on Rarible. You can charge as high as 30% royalties with this marketplace. Mintable. Another famous self-service NFT marketplace is Mintable. Here, a user can trade art, photographs, music, in-game assets, and more. Mintable is unique in that it offers a gasless minting option. There are 3 different auction types with Mintable, which are 1. Timed auction, 2. Traditional auction, 3. Buy it now auction. Mintable is Ethereum-based, and payments can only be made using Ether. There's a 5% royalty facility for NFT creators to earn commissions when the original buyer transfers ownership to another person. Nifty Gateway. People have mixed feelings about the Nifty Gateway marketplace in the NFT world. It is different to all of the other NFT marketplaces because it allows users to make payments with credit cards. There's no need for a user to have a MetaMask or crypto wallet. The aim of Nifty Gateway is to make NFTs available to everyone by bringing centralized process to decentralized processes. One of the reasons that people love NFTs so much is because of the decentralization. As a result, Nifty Gateway is not a really popular NFT marketplace. SuperRare. SuperRare is probably the most well-known curated NFT marketplace. The aim of SuperRare is to provide their members with one-of-a-kind, rare, and limited edition digital art. You need to be approved by SuperRare to mint and list your digital art NFTs on their platform. There's a lot of praise for the SuperRare marketplace among NFT traders across the globe. They really like the fact that the marketplace regulates who can list NFTs in an effort to ensure that only assets of the highest quality are available. Foundation. The aim of the Foundation NFT Marketplace is to bring together NFT creators, collectors, and crypto natives together in one special community. Foundation wants to move the culture of NFTs forward and claims that this is the new creative economy. This marketplace only has a focus for digital art. This is another curated platform. All members have to create profiles which are verified by the management of the Foundation platform. It is one of the fastest growing NFT marketplaces, and its monetary turnover is increasing all of the time. When you mint your NFTs on Foundation and list them, you will receive a 10% royalty on all secondary sales. Quite a few NFT investors use the Foundation platform to find new opportunities. They purchase NFTs and then sell them for a higher price. Niche NFT marketplaces. There are a number of marketplaces that cater for niche NFTs, such as digital fantasy football cards and virtual world avatars. A lot of new niche NFT marketplaces are emerging all of the time to meet the growing demand. The most established players for NFT niches are Axie Infinity. This marketplace hosts NFT cartoon characters for the popular Axie Infinity game. This game allows players to battle, breed, and trade their digital pets, which are called Axies. There are some people that make their living playing this game. NBA Top Shot. This is a closed niche NFT marketplace that uses Flow. Here, users can sell and buy collectible cards, which feature videos of some of the most memorable NBA moments. SuperRare. With the SuperRare niche marketplace, users can trade virtual cards that represent football players. SuperRare is a fantasy football game that is played all over the world. Valuables. This niche NFT marketplace specializes in the tokenization of Twitter tweets. It is the platform that Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey used to sell his first tweet as an NFT. Decentraland. There is a niche marketplace available for users to trade in-game items such as wearables and virtual land. In the next video, we will discuss proven tips for selling your NFTs.
Like this video and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos update. View these two videos to enlighten your learning.